Amazing, keep the good service. Exceptional, great place for kids and family. Exceptional, excellent. Worth it. Biner tu buas bangai staycation sini. Apalagi buat YG bawa kiddos kasini, ada playground, mini zoo, kolam renang, kids corner saat di sarapan, mom and kids salon. Roomnya juga cukup luas untuk pasutri DGN 3 anak dan bersih. Breakfast nya banyak pilihannya. Top bangai day. Exceptional, all good. Perfect hotel for family with young children. Hotel are perfect for family with young children. Located close to many interest places, but you never run out activities for the kids in the hotel, as many facilities to accommodate the kids. Okay, Ramah Anak. Excellent family stay. We had an excellent stay at Grand Tjokro Premiere Bandung with our children. The value for money was exceptional, the location was convenient, and cleanliness of hotel was top-notch. The staff were friendly and attentive, ensuring that all our needs were met. The facilities provided were outstanding, caterang debat adults and children. Overall, we highly recommended this hotel for a family-friendly stay in Bandung. Recommended, April 2024, still in promo but great quality. Good hotel with good view. Good hotel with good view. Exceptional, the breakfast never let us down. Overall, it is value for money. Exceptional, all is good dan sangat koka kuntuk kaluarga dengan fasilitas lengkap. Exceptional, all is good. Exceptional, good. Exceptional, good. Piece of warmth, staffs were awesome and friendly. Clean, spacious rooms. Easy access. Nyaman kokat buat kaluarga dan anak-anak.